Assalamualaikum everyone. I made a simple website with HTML, CSS and bootstrap. So this is first section. Also here a logo and right here a navbar menu, and also at search section, you can search here and click it. So second section is a slider section. You can slide it, and there is another section for cart, like product name. You can add your product name, and this is a cart section. There are 3 cards with image, title and paragraph and some icons, emojis, and also have a button. And this section have amazing card with hover effect, and also have a one section what is sale, and you can add your shoes name. And this is a product section. You can add your product image, and this is a hover effect, water color, and finish with a footer section with logos, some menus and contact form. This website also has been a responsive website. You can see it, responsive site. You can product info, and it's completely a responsive website, and with any device. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching.